So the first command you want to do is you want to hit on Command, Shift, and hit the number 3. Now when you do that, it's going to take a screenshot of whatever on your screen and going to take the entire screen up. Now if you take a look here on the bottom right, if you click on that, it'll actually pop up here and allow you to edit and do whatever you want to do to the screenshot right here. Now if you don't want to do anything with it, you can hit X out of it and it'll save to the desktop. It'll also do the same thing if you don't touch anything there either. If you just let it kind of disappear when you're taking a screenshot, it'll save there as well too. Now if you hit Command Shift the number 4, you'll actually see your cursor become a cross and you can actually select where you want your screenshot to be taken. Let's say we want to take this here of all these cute puppies and we just kind of drag it out like that. Does the same thing again. In case the screenshot, we can click on that if we want to and edit and do whatever we want to do. If we let it disappear, it'll save straight to the desktop. Now with those first 2 commands, if we add control to it as well too, and we hit this, what it will do is actually save it to your clipboard so we can copy and paste it anywhere. So if we want to paste it into the note here, we get the entire screenshot right there just like that. But I know what you're used to, especially coming over from Windows, you want sort of like the snipping or snip and sketch tool. Now the way you pull that up is you want to hit Command Shift and you want to hit the number 5. Bringing that up will bring this entire tool set right here. And it gives you the options of capturing the entire screen, which you'll see that little camera icon right here. You'll see you can select the window if you want to. So if we bring back up any part of it or any section we want to just screenshot a toolbar, we can do it like that. We can also make the selection and adjust that as we want to as well too, to wherever we want it, however big we want it to be. This also now gives you the option to record the entire screen. So if we want to do that, or we can record an entire portion of the screen if we want to. And it gives you some extra options here as well too, between where you save it to, the timer before the recording begins. If you're going to use a microphone with it, you're going to show mouse clicks and whatever you want to do. So we just want to record the entire screen and we just go boom like this. It starts the recording and you'll see right here at the top there's a little stop button right here at the top of the bar. So if you hit that at any point, the recording stops and you'll see right here on the side, and eventually it'll save right down here onto the desktop. And if you let that save, we double tap on it, bring it up, we can go ahead and play, and it'll play back there for us. And that's basically how you screenshot and screen record on a Mac.